Transpose. Transpose now. See, transpose is nothing but shifting. Shifting terms. Shifting terms to from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. Listen carefully, Dana. This transpose process is very important. Okay. Shifting terms from LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. Yeah. What are the terms? We learned already what is term and what is algebraic expression and what is equation, right? Suppose, see, Nana, take a note. Wait. See, Nana, suppose if you transpose minus to LHS, okay. If you transpose minus, that become plus. If you transpose minus, that becomes plus. Start your video, Shailendra and Prashant. Right? If you transpose minus, it becomes plus. If you transpose plus, it becomes minus. Okay. Whether it is LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, whatever may be, places becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Very important concept. And into will become a division. A division will become okay. Clear? Okay. Yeah. We shall look at the application of this note now. Remember with one example, Nana. I will give you one example for each case. Okay, remember with that. Suppose, right? Fast, Nana. This is the shifting terms from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. That is nothing but transpose. Okay. Make it fast. Next. Only 2 lines. How much time you need to write that? Just making time pass, huh? Right? See, suppose see the example here. This example is for transpose of plus. Transposing of plus. Very important. You cannot see this in the textbook actually. Suppose see 2x plus 7 is equals to 2 you have. 2x plus 7 is equals to 2. Right? Yeah. Transpose 7 to RHS. Okay. What is LHS actually here? LHS is equals to 2x plus 7. What is RHS? 2. Right? I am transposing 7 to RHS side. Okay. What is the sign of 7? Plus sign. Sign of 7 we have plus. Okay. Then what it becomes now? 2x is equals to 2 as is. Yeah. This I am transposing to RHS side, which gives minus 7. Did you get that? Any doubts? No. Yes, boys. Last bench. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah, here I transposed 7 to RHS side. So 7 is having actually plus in the side of LHS. But I'm transposing that 7 to RHS. The sign will be changed. What is the sign now? Minus. Okay, got it? Right. So 2x is equals to minus 5. Okay, remember up to there only, right? Yeah, is this clear? Next, see, transposing of multiplication. Transposing of multiplication. See, I'm continuing this problem only. This problem I'm going to take continuation. See what we have. 2x is equals to minus 5 we have, right? Yeah, look at 2x. LHS is now 2x. RHS is minus 5. See, how many terms we have here? What are they? 2x and minus 5. So look at 2x. It's a combination of 2 and x having a multiplication sign between them, right? Yes, sir. Even though it is considered as single term, as we learned in the previous case, right? So 2x is a single term, but 2 is the, we can transpose the 2. See here, this 2 we can transpose to this side. Okay, so what is the sign, what is the operation having between 2 and x? Multiplication. We know if we transpose multiplication to RHS side, it becomes division. It means x is equals to 5 by 2 it becomes. 2 will go to the denominator to minus 5. 2 will go to the denominator to minus 5. Okay. So x is equals to minus 5 by 2. Finally, we got x value here. Okay. Any doubts? You can raise the hand if anybody is having a doubt. No problem. I'll explain once again. Nana, those who did not completed the project work, please take the project work from some others, and please remaining children help them. Okay. They may attend the classes later. Okay. X is equals minus 5 by 2. Clear? Yeah. This is about transposing multiplication, transposing addition. Now we shall get into transposing of subtraction. See, 2x minus 7 is equals to 2. 2x minus 7 is equals to 2. So what it becomes? 2x is equals to 2 plus 7. See, here I transpose this minus 7 to RHS side. So let us write here what is LHS here actually. 2x minus 7. What is RHS? 2. Okay. So now 2x is equals 2 plus 7, which gives us 9. Okay. As we learned in the previous case, what we now do now? I'm transposing 2 again. What it becomes? 9 by 2. Got it? Any doubt? Now this 2 goes to the denominator 2. 9, because we are transposing 2 also here. Okay. Any doubts? Yeah. Now transposing of subtraction is also over. Now let us get into transposing of division. Transposing of division. See, 2 by x is equals to 5 we have. 2 by x is equals to 5. So LHS, what is LHS? 2 by x. What is RHS? Okay. LHS is equals to 2 by x, RHS is equals to 5. Okay. Now, is it clear, Nana? Can you see clearly? Yes, sir. Now, 2 is equals to, I'm transposing this x. What it becomes? 5 into x. 5 into x. Now see this x is having a division operation with this 2. Okay, x is having division operation with 2. Okay, if we transpose this to the RHS side, that becomes multiplication to 5. Okay, I'll give you some practice problems. So 2 is equals to 5x, and even this we can write 5x is equals to 2, right? Now x is equals to, again transpose this 5, or it's what becomes 2 by 5. Okay, yeah, you can raise the hand if any doubts. Yes, ma'am. Remove the mask, please, once.
Why didn't we transpose it 2 in the starting, sir? Why did we transpose x?
We need to find that also we can do. See, you're asking about why we need to transpose this x. We can transpose this 2 also. Yeah, okay. 1 by x is equals to 5 by 2 it becomes. Then what is x value? Again we have to transpose them, right? Isn't it? So again we have to take the cross multiplication. 2 into 5 into x. That is I have written here on directly. Okay. Okay. So just okay. That is also, that's not wrong. That is also true, but we shall make it smaller steps. Okay. Why you stand, Nana? Nana, do you have any sight or height problem? Sight problem. Height problem. Okay, then I will write little bit. Okay, right. Next, see. Yeah, now you learned about transpose, right?
Yeah.
Any doubts in transpose? No doubts, right? Right. Look at exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Wait, look at the exercise 2.1. We have 16 problems, Nana. All are transposing problems. Okay. Please, can you try? Make it start. Start now. Do it now itself. Do it now itself. Not homework. You just do it now. Nana. Your wish. We can do in rough. Now start down. Start writing. Do it now only. 16 problems we have. If you solve them, you will get perfection. Yeah, actually one more thing I forgot to tell you. Solve the following equations. Simple equations we have, right? What is mean by simple equation? I told you already. Simple equations. What is mean by simple equation? Linear equation in one variable is also called as simple equation. Then what is mean by solving? Solving. Yeah, he has given solve. Pointing the, what is mean by solution? Answer. Okay, very good. Good answers. Solving and solution both are same. Like synonyms. Okay. Then how do we find solution actually? What is mean by solution? It is nothing but finding the variable value in the given question. Solution is nothing but, listen carefully, solution is nothing but, or solving is nothing but finding the variable value in the given equation. Yes, look at the questions here once. What is the variable in the first question? No, wait, I'll ask you one by one. Last bench, what is the variable in first question? Last bench. Variable, I'm asking, just variable. Second main, next last one, second main from last. What is variable? Variable. Yeah, what is the variable in seventh? What is the variable in eighth? Ninth? 10? Did you get the concept now? అర్థమైందా? అయిపోయిందా? అయి ఉంది. Right. Next, boys. Charan, last bench. What is the variable in 11th question? Variable in 11th question. Yeah, Tofik. Anna? Why? Very good. 12th question. What about you, Charan? 13th question. Anna? Next, 14th question. Ayan. Tofik, sit down. Girl, sit down. 14th variable. Huh? 15? 16? Are Nana? First problem, Nana. Look at the first problem. Okay, I'll give you 4 solutions, which is a place, minus, and into, and division. For this 4 category, I will give 4 problems. Okay, like look at here. Third one. Minus 5y is equals to 30. Minus 5y is equals to 30. So I will transpose this minus 5 to RHS side. So 5 is having multiplication with y. Now that becomes denominator to 30. Okay, this becomes 5 ones are 5 6 are. Okay, 5 ones are 5 6 are. So y is equals to 6 by minus 1. This minus 1 goes to numerator. So y is equals to minus 6. Any doubts? None, girls and boys. So look at here. Minus 5 is having multiplication with y. Okay. If I transpose that minus 5 to RHS side, it becomes division to the 30. Okay, good question, Anna. Good question you raised. So when we transpose plus to the RHS side, it becomes minus. Minus will become plus. In these 2 situations, when you transpose plus terms and minus terms, if you transpose, they change their sign. They change their sign. But when you transpose multiplication terms and division terms, they do not change their sign. Suppose minus will be remains. Plus will be remains. But the thing is, the multiplication becomes division. Division will becomes. See, look at in this question. So we transposed minus 5 actually. We transposed minus 5, even though it does not change its minus. It's as it is, minus will here, and but this multiplication operation will become division. That is the thing, Nana. Okay, observe the difference. Okay, did you get that, Nana? When plus will become minus, when plus will becomes not becomes minus. Yes, what's your doubt? Yeah, okay. See, wait. Okay, she may not understand. No problem. See, Nana. Minus y is equals to 30, right? See, suppose if minus y plus 2 is equals to 30, it is having like this. So the terms which are having, see, the terms which are having plus and minus relation with another terms. The terms which are having plus and minus with another term. See here, we have 2 terms in the left side, minus 5 and plus 2. Okay. Suppose if you transpose this to RHS side, it will become 30 minus 2. 30 minus 2 will become. Okay. Got it? Clear? So if you transpose this term, in this term we have -5. Okay, if you transpose that -5 to the RHS side, that do not change this sign. Got it? Wait. Okay, Nana. Clear your doubt. If it is having place relation with this, it will change its sign. Okay, so here it is. Look at it here. This -5, it is considered single term. They do not separate term. They are not separate term. They are considered single term. If you transpose individual term, and one more thing we know already, plus and minus separate the terms, whereas multiplication and division do not separate terms. Take that note. Plus and minus separate the terms. Into and division do not separate the terms. Okay, right? Yes, now what's your doubt, Dikshit? We did not go to sixth question, right?
No, sir. Fourth question.
Even though we did not go to fourth question, wait, just okay, just wait. If you have any doubt in this question, you can ask, please. Nana,
30 అనేది
we can make that. So 5y minus 30. The thing is, we have to find y where. That is the final aim, right? Suppose if you transpose this minus 30, this what becomes, it remain 0 remain, or 0 will remains. No, sorry, 1 will remain. Okay, again you have to transpose everything, right? Again you have to do cross multiplication. 1 into 30, then again 1 into 30 by -5. This perfection you will get when you practice. Okay, which you have to transpose, which you do not have to transpose, you will learn if you practice in your own. Okay, we don't know practice cheyandi, definitely you will get which term we have to transpose. Edi transpose cheyali anedi meeku telisipotundi. Okay na? Right. But aim is to find variable value. That's it. That is nothing but solution, right? Yeah, Siddhik, what's your doubt now? Fourth question. డోర్ పెట్టి ఉంది, కిటికీలు ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని ఉన్నాయి, ఇంకెందుకు అంటున్నారు? -4x. Okay, -4x -12. Okay,
then I transpose -2 to this side.
Wait. Fourth question, -2x is equals to -12. What you transposed?
-2 to right side.
Okay. Yeah, what it became?
-12 by -2.
Yeah, okay, very good. X is equals to -12 by -2. Yeah, minus will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
And 12 by 2 again. 2 1s are 2 6s are. X is equals to 16. 6 by 1 is nothing but 6. Okay. Afra. Yes, now any doubts? Huh? No doubts, right? Next question, see. Look at the next question. What is the question number? Question number 6. N by 7 is equals to -3. Now what we have to transpose? Last bench, Tofik, Ayan, and what's your name, Nana? Rahul. What we have to transpose here in this question? Which term we have to transpose? What we have to transpose in this question? Did you get an idea? Charan? Em transpose cheyali indulo? N transpose cheste malla problem aitadi kada. Manaku kavalsindi n valueనే. అంతే కదా, అంటే ఎన్ని సింగిల్ ఉంచాలా, N we have to make single. 7. Very good. N is equals to minus 7. Very good, Nana. Minus 3 into 7 it becomes. Okay. 7 is having actually division here. If you transpose this, it becomes 7. Okay. So N is equals to minus 21. That's it. This is in the case of division. This is division case. Okay. In the previous we discussed about multiplication case. This is that. Okay. This is multiplication case and division case. Okay. Next, get into. Shall I go for next? Yeah. Look at ninth one.
3p minus 7 is equal to 0.
Look at ninth one, Nana. 3p minus
7
is equals to 0. Okay. Now what it becomes? We have to sit down. Sit down. Rahul, please pick it up. Observe carefully. 3p minus 7, Nana. What we have to transpose here? 7. Is it 7 or minus 7? Minus 7, right? Then what it becomes? 3p is equals to 0 by 7, right? Is it right? Then somebody is saying yes. It becomes 0 plus 7. 0 plus 7 it becomes. Observe carefully. 3p minus 7 is equals to 0 will become 3p is equals to 0 plus 7. Okay. So 3p is equals to 7. P is equals to 7 by 3. Got it? Any doubts? Clear? Yes, sir. Any doubts? Next, look at 16th one. And do you have a next online class next? No, this is offline class, right? Next one is offline class, right? Okay, right. Okay, right. Okay. Next, look at the 16th one, Nana. And 15th and 14th, 15th, 16th, little bit different. See, x plus 4 by 3, 3 1 by 2. Okay. Now transpose this 4 by 8 to the RHS side. X is equals to 3 1 by 2 minus plus 4 by 3 will become minus 4 by 3, right? Any doubts? So x is equals to 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 by 3. X is equals to 6 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 by 3. So x is equals to 7 by 2 minus 4 by 3. Okay. Which one? None. It is 1. Got it, Nana?
7 by 2 plus.
Wait. Please wait. So now we shall simplify this. 7 by 2 minus 4 by subtraction of two fractions. Yeah, how do we make? We have different methods, but we use here 7 into 3 minus 4 into 2. Take the cross multiplication. And by 2 into 3 again. 2 into 3. Okay. So x is equals to 21 minus 8 by 6. X is equals to 21 minus 8 is nothing but how much? 13 by 6 is the answer. Okay. 16th question is similar to 15th and 14th. Remaining problems, please do it yourself. Not homework. Yeah. What is your leisure period? Do you have any leisure? Hindi period is over. Social is over. Yeah. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. What is your social period time? Social
Sir.
period time. Okay, right. Yeah, I think okay. Okay, wait. Go and check the social time. What's your doubt now?
sir, in the equation, 13 minus 6 equals 7. Then the user, if we transpose 13 to RHS side, we have section equals 7 minus 13.
Try yourself. You must try that. Then we'll discuss about that. Okay.